side curtain airbags, right?
Yep.
Yes, okay. So I'll be in a bubble when we slide down the mountain into the ditch. Oh god.
There's one coming way down there, but Ophir Pass is a nice little drive, linking the $1 Million Highway to Telluride through the San Juan Mountains. Apart from a few narrow one-lane spots near the pass, it's pretty easy to drive as well. It's one of just a few shortcuts over the mountains instead of the long drive around the mountains, and probably the easiest to drive. Today, the small mountain towns are gateway destinations for people who enjoy the beauty of this range, known for some of the most stunning aspen colors in the lower 48 states. And although it's south of Moab and well within the realm of the southwestern desert, its altitude makes it a perfect summer getaway to beat the desert heat of the area. These dramatic mountains are crisscrossed with winding shelf roads left over from the mountain's mining past, making it a modern mecca for backcountry off-road exploration. In 1860, gold was discovered, setting off a gold rush in the San Juans. Silver was discovered shortly after, and precious metals flowed out of the area until the 1890s when silver prices tanked. Since then, there have been a few bursts of activities, but for the most part, the mines and mills are closed. Now ruins and rivers laden with heavy metal runoff are all that remain of the heyday. The high mountain valleys of the area are gorgeous. I've been to mountain ranges all over this country and I think these are the best. It's hard to describe, but they're the most mountainy of all mountains. Always colorful with multicolored rocks in the summer and glowing aspens in the fall. Be on the lookout for hidden reminders of the area's past. Old wooden mining buildings are cool, but much more common are the tailings piles you'll see everywhere. If you're only passing through, definitely take the time to drive the $1 Million Highway from Ouray to Durango. It's one of the most scenic in the nation. If you have a bit more time, explore some of the side dirt roads that take you off the beaten path. Some areas are passable by passenger cars, others require capable high-clearance four-wheel drive vehicles. There are some organized camping areas along the highway from Ouray to Durango, and plenty of dirt roads heading back to small dispersed camping areas in the mountains. If you want a warmer place to sleep at night, Ouray, Silverton, and Durango are fantastic tourist towns with small independently run hotels and B&Bs, usually in old historic buildings. The area can really accommodate just about any type of traveler. Ophir Pass is right in the middle in terms of average difficulty of the area. Easy for most of its route, but narrow with steep drop-offs and a few moderate sections near the pass. High clearance is definitely a must, in addition to just having four-wheel drive. However, if you're not crossing the top and just want to head up the mountains a little bit, the roads on both sides can go quite a ways up and still have some beautiful scenery. If you're planning to drive it and you're not sure, it's easier from east to west rather than west to east. If you come from the east, you'll be going downhill for the toughest part of the trail, making it a bit easier. This is a good time to use the low range of your vehicle's transmission. Even though I referred to this as a shortcut, these are not high-speed roads and honestly aren't much faster than just sticking to the pavement going around the mountains.
Yeah, they don't want to do this. If we were coming up this in the truck, I would be very confident that it can handle this.
And with so many sheer drop-offs alongside narrow roads, there's no room for error. It's truly a rock crawling area. When on these narrow mining roads, try to work with other drivers as much as possible, as there's not a lot of room for passing on the high shelf roads. Keep a mental note of where passing areas are located in case you come head to head with somebody. If it's easy for you to back up to a passing spot, then go ahead and do that. If neither driver can pull off easily, the general rule off-road is that the uphill driver has the right of way. This is especially true if you see an off-roading group of multiple vehicles coming through.
10?
Okay.
All right.
Oh, okay, we'll stay here.
We'll wait.
Take 5 minutes waiting on a wide pullout to let a convoy of 8 vehicles pass. It's easier for you to stop than to force all of them off the road, even if you're the uphill driver. As I said, it's more important to work with the drivers around you to try to come up with the best solution for everybody, rather than be a trail bully that thinks that because generally they have the preferred right of way, they can push people back when it would have been much easier to pull off and let some of the downhill traffic pass.
So, try. You're going to get the whole more.
Okay.
So I feel like it's dropping you off. Don't worry, we got it.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah, you got the scary part, sorry.
Yep, that's okay.
Do a little zigzaggy turn.
How that? No, stop. Back up. Oh my god.
Turn back.
Fine.
So now the uphill guy wants to.
Oh yeah, here he is. Okay, here he comes.
Yeah, if you can park right there, me and Liberty can get around.
Yeah.
Yeah. Go. Lots. Got like another 3 or 4 feet. We got plenty. Give it another 3, 4, a little more. I can still stand well in front of you. 2 people can, I think I can make it now. You just lock it up there and I'll. He's backing up now, so yep, he's got it.
Yep.
Oh man. Yeah, fun, huh?
Good grief.
You okay? Yes! You wanna do it again? No!
Like your car was like
I had about 2 inches on this.
2 inches, yeah. This would be the worst place in the world if there was an earthquake.
Definitely check out the Ophir Pass Road if you have the time in the San Juans. It's beautiful and gives you a very representative feel for the terrain without being easy or too extreme, as long as you keep your wits about you. And even if you want a casual drive, only doing half of it is a nice simple trip as well.
Is the dash cam recording me squealing?
Yep.
Oh, good.